Hello YouTube, away from ripe fruit, how to store avocados to stay fresh for 12 days. A few important tips will help you store avocados and prevent spots and browning of the flesh. Avocados are very popular right now. But this fruit is difficult to store. We spoke with a food hygiene expert about the best way to store avocados so they stay fresh for as long as possible. She also shared how to prevent the green flesh of an avocado from turning brown after being cut in half. How to determine the ripeness of an avocado. You can tell how ripe an avocado is by touch. An unripe avocado is firm, while a ripe avocado will be softer when pressed. If unripe when purchased, an avocado can take up to a week to ripen, whereas an uncut ripe avocado can be at its best in up to 3 days. How to extend the shelf life of avocados. Make sure the avocado is away from ripe fruits such as bananas, as next to bananas, avocados will ripen much faster and won't keep as long. How to make an avocado ripen quickly. Alternatively, if you want the avocado to ripen quickly, you can put it in a paper bag with a ripe banana or apple. Where to store avocados. An unripe avocado is best stored at room temperature, and if you put it in the refrigerator too early, it may never ripen. But, after the avocado has ripened, it is better to store it in the refrigerator so that it stays ripe longer and does not spoil too quickly. A ripe avocado will keep for about 2 to 3 days in the refrigerator. Avocados are ready to eat, which means they are not cooked before they are eaten. For this reason, it cannot be stored under raw meat or on the same shelf. If you have a salad box, you can store avocados in it. What to do so that the avocado does not darken on the cut. Not everyone eats a whole avocado, and avocados can darken when cut. Darkening of an avocado after cutting is not a sign of spoilage, it's just a chemical reaction in which the flesh reacts with oxygen. If you need to preserve an already cut avocado, keep the pit in it, squeeze some lemon or lime juice onto the flesh and store it in an airtight container or cling film, the expert recommends. Avocado shelf life. You bought an unripe avocado that ripens for 7 days at room temperature. After ripening you move it to the refrigerator and there it is stored for another 3 days, and then you cut it and fill it with lemon juice, and in an airtight package it can lie still 2 days. So you can expect an avocado to last about 12 days. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Have a great day.